Hey guys, this is Corey Bystead from Guaranty RV. I'm here to show you the 3375SS. It's a Bighorn by Heartland. Let's take a look inside. Okay guys, now that we're inside, you're going to notice we have an island in the middle here. And you're also going to see we have a full residential fridge. So you're going to have a freezer below and you have two doors. It's going to be like in your house, maybe even better than your house. You're going to see we have a really big microwave. Sometimes they make them kind of small. We have the new stove. On the top you have the 3 burners. We also have an oven right here as well. And you got cabinets everywhere in this room. You're also going to see our entertainment stand. And we're going to have the fireplace. You're also going to see a TV right here as well. And your seating is really great. You have a couch and a love seat. And in this love seat you have massage, you have heat, you have lights, and you have reclining abilities. All on this touch control for your finger. And you have a table and chairs dinette style. We also have really big windows in this room that are all the way around the walls. And that gives you a nice open feeling on the inside of here. So now that we made it into the bedroom, you can see that the ceiling height is high enough for you to not really notice it. We get a king bed and a true full walk around bed. I think everybody would agree when seeing this that it is true full walk around. You get a slide inside of a slide. That's kind of a neat thing. Maybe many people have not really seen that. You get a really deep closet, lots of storage on the inside, a dresser in front of your bed with a TV right above it, and that TV is on a swivel mount so you can kind of move it around and pull it out and angle it. Over in the bathroom you have 2 access doors. You have a whole storage spot for towels or whatever you need to put in there. You can access it from the hallway or the bedroom. You have a corner shower. And your solid surface countertops are also acting as part of your sink, which gives it a really beautiful continuous look to it. Hey guys, now that we're outside, I'm going to tell you about a few of the features on the exterior. This unit's going to come with full auto one-touch leveling system. You're also going to get a really big pass-through bay storage. It's probably going to be one of the bigger ones that we have on these units. And we also got a really solid step. I like these ones because they touch the floor instead of hovering. It's nice because on the ones that hover, sometimes they'll give out over time. These ones last forever. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm Corey Bystead with Guaranty RV. My number is 541-735-1535. You should give me a call if you have any questions on product availability. And I look forward to working with you.